Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet with Treasure NFT. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance and security. Next, locate and tap on the D-App browser icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications directly from your wallet. Once the D-App browser is open, you will need to input the official Treasure NFT marketplace URL into the search bar. It is crucial to double-check the website address to ensure you are on the legitimate site and avoid any phishing attempts. After entering the URL, press Enter or go to load the marketplace within your Trust Wallet browser. Upon reaching the Treasure NFT marketplace, look for a Connect Wallet button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select Trust Wallet from this list. Your Trust Wallet application will then prompt you to approve the connection request, which you must confirm to proceed. After approving the connection, your Trust Wallet address should now be visible on the Treasure NFT marketplace, confirming a successful link. You are now ready to explore, buy, or sell NFTs on the platform. Remember to always practice good security habits when interacting with decentralized applications. Also, check the description below for a direct link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.